A ball is dropped from a tall building. Find the following for the ball's motion. A, its acceleration, the distance it falls in 2 seconds, the velocity after 15 minutes, and the time it takes to fall 25 meters, and lastly, the time it takes to reach a velocity of 29.4 meters per second. Okay, so let's see what we get. Now for A, the answer here is just acceleration due to gravity. So that is 9.8. And looking at the direction, it is downwards. So it is 9.8 meters per second squared downwards. So this is the acceleration that we have for part A. Now coming to B, for us to find the distance, we're going to use the equation of motion where we have that y equal to ut plus half gt squared, since this is g we're using. But the thing is that distance being positive are supposed to yield a positive value. So initial speed or initial velocity is 0. So just remain with plus half of acceleration due to gravity, then to multiply with the time, which is 2 squared. So what we get here will be y, which is equal to half of 9.8 is 4.9 to multiply with 4. Upon multiplying the 2, we'll simply get 19.8. So the distance is simply 19.8 for part B. We now move to C. We are told to find the velocity after falling 15 meters. So the one that we're going to use is, there's no time mentioned, so use v squared equal to u squared plus 2ay. So where u is simply 0. So we have that v squared, when you square root both sides, we're going to get your v to be equal to, our u is 0, so we're going to just get 2ay like that. So we now have v to be equal to 9.8 for acceleration. 2 times 9.8, then times 19.8. The displacement just obtained in y. So this gives us our v upon multiplying to be equal to, sorry, not 19.6, but to be 388.08. Then when you square root this value, we'll get v to be equal to 19.6 meters per second. Now coming to D, we're supposed to find the time when the distance is simply 25. So we still use the same equation, which is ut plus half gt squared. Okay, so now where there's y, we put a 25. Want to know what time it is. So we're going to put 25 meters for T. 25 meters. Our initial speed is 0. So we just get half to multiply with 9.8, then times t squared, the one we're looking for. Now what we get here will be 25 on the left hand side, which is equal to 2 into 9.8 gives us 4.9 multiplied by t squared. We divide both sides by 4.9 so that to make t squared subject, and what we get is simply t squared to be equal to 5.102. Now since we're looking for t, not t squared, to square root both sides, and our t will be equal to 2.25 seconds. Now coming to E, we're taught to find the time, given that this velocity is 29.4. So we use the formula v is equal to u plus gt. That's the formula I'm going to use for this problem, u plus gt. Our u still remains 0, so we say v, which is 29.4, to be equal to g is 9.8 to multiply with t, divide both sides by 9.8, and we get that the quotient, which gives us t, is nothing but 3 seconds.